Okay, so I have my Mucar 892 Bluetooth, and we will check out what it can do for this old BMW E46. So let's hook it up to OBD port, and let's just try doing auto search if it can do VIN detection automatically. And yes, it is able to detect exact car model and year of make, and even pull out VIN number. Okay, so right on the home screen, what we have automatically search, so doing full scan of all modules, manually select, that is choosing one single module, coding and program, so this is unlocking of some hidden features or recoding new modules, and then special functions will be service resets. Okay, loading of service resets finished. Let's check some. So for example, we have immobilizer and engine module adaptation, injection quality compensation. I think this is just, oh, wrong button. I think this is just checking fuel injectors. Yeah, so this is codes for fuel injectors. So this is fuel injector coding. So we have a bunch of service resets. Now in coding and program, let's check what we have here. E46 coding program. I haven't done any replacement of modules, so I will select this. Okay. Coding system list. Let's check central body electronics. Turn off ignition. Wait 15 seconds. Turn on ignition. Oh wait, I think this is not like unlocking hidden feature. This is like just coding new module to car. I will not do that. What about car key memory? What is that? Okay, so now this is coding of features. For example, check this out. One touch close. Passenger window. Current value is active. So that means I can just auto close it like this. Just press once. Okay. But if we change this to not active, let's try now. See, it doesn't work. Change to active. Works. So it is updating in real time based on what you choose. I have literally tested hundreds of different OBD2 scanners, and I run the best OBD2 scanner website. There you can find best OBD2 scanners for literally every category. You can see real procedures done with the scanner, you can see scanner reviews. Anything related to OBD2 scanners you can find at my website iamcarhacker.com, and even download free PDF guides like this. Okay, I guess that's enough messing with coding. We can do that with some BMW coding tool to more extent. Let's just do automatic search and we will do full scan of all modules. Okay, now it already found which modules I have, and now fault code scan should be fast. Okay, so scan is finished. Okay, let's try going into some module, for example, body module. So we have version information, read fault codes, also clear fault code completed. One cannot be cleared. Live data, we can actually choose. Let's try E46 Touring only, so there are some specific live data only for E46 Touring. Rear window contact. That actually does not work. Only I can open the rear window, the small window, but only from key, not with my hand. But then if we want to see some more generic data, for example, driver doors module, select all. Not many of interesting data, of course, in body module. A lot of categories to choose from. I would honestly prefer to have them all in one page, so I don't have to look for everything. Then we have actuation tests. For example, windscreen washer pump. Activation for 2 seconds. Active. Active. And we can also do wipers. Activation for 2 seconds. Active. And we have also some special functions. Service action general module 5. Not sure what is that. It looks like some kind of software update. So classic menu, same like for other cars. So in every module you have read faults, read identification of module, live data, bidirectional tests and service resets. So as general tool, the Mucar 892 Bluetooth is not bad for this BMW. Does everything you need for basic service, but if you work a lot on your car and you have like only older BMW, it makes more sense to just buy some INPA or some laptop software that will give you more data because it is more specialized towards these older BMWs.